how to create custom objects in Freshdesk. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will teach you how you can create custom objects in Freshdesk. Creating a custom object in Freshdesk allows you to capture and manage additional information that is specific to your business needs, and here is how to do it. The first step is to log in as an admin. All right, you can only access you can when you log in as an admin, you can access your Freshdesk account with admin privileges. Then the next step is to go to your admin's page, and how to do that, move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons. Once you can see these icons, navigate through to the admin icon and then click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to the admin's page automatically. Now on this page, you can see settings, you can see customer fields, ticket fields, automations, etc. And by the time you scroll down, you can see other options as well. Then by the left side of the screen, you can see options like Freddy, team, channels, workflows, support operations, accounts, etc. So, having done this, the next step is to click on support operations. All right. Now, under the support operations page, you can see custom objects. So, just click on it. Now, after clicking on custom object, you will be brought to the custom objects page. All right. So, you click on let's go. Okay. And then you will take it on that page where you can now create your custom objects. But first of all, wait for it to load. So once it has loaded, you can see the custom objects page. So just click on new object, and then you can now go ahead and create your custom object. So what is the name of the object? For me, I'll be making use of orders. All right. And then you have to give a brief description of the object here for marking and recording orders. And then after that, select an icon for the order for the custom object. Sorry. Okay, so we're making use of this, and I click on create. They wait for it, and then just like that, your custom objects would be created. All right, and then you can now go ahead to fill in the required fields for the object. But this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can create custom objects on Freshdesk. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.